Hi everyone, my name is Taisi and welcome to my channel. Today we'll paint the rooster. The colors I will use are Prussian blue, indigo, alizarin crimson, violet, quinacridone gold, Naples rose, cerulean blue, English red, and the mix of blue and white. The paper is Canson XXL watercolor and I'm using the squirrel brush. Starting with the sketch with the watercolor pencil. The technique is wet and wet, so I put some of the clean water on the paper and started to use the Prussian blue, then for the tail. Then I added quinacridone gold and English red for the body. Adding alizarin crimson for the comb. More of quinacridone gold. And indigo for dark blues. Adding cerulean blue again. Adding some water to the background with light objects colors. Removing excess water by the napkin and adding some colorful thick places and darkens when it's needed. The background should be some lighter than the rooster, so I want to have some more contrast. Some light blue and details to the face. The signature. This moment I decided that the rooster isn't roosterish enough, so I want to add some more colors to the tail using alizarin crimson and violet, dark violet. Finally, I cut off the watercolor, adding some more space on the left side so it will have more air. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to follow my next videos and press the like if you like this video. Thank you.